Hi, it is Clay. In this group project, the challenge for me was manage the group assignment and also cooperate with members from different areas. So it's like for digital media students, we are more familiar with most of the softwares and also the progress of the designing digitally. But for industrial students, it might be not that familiar for them. But when we need to do some really solid research and analyze, definitely industrial students are better. So I need to consider so many questions which were new for me, such as how to divide the task to people and which way can maximize the efficiency while helping everyone improve their skill, and also how to motivate members online. In our group work, we argued a few times with different things, which allows me to think about how to co-work and also bring people together in different works. Overall, this is a really precious experience for me and also for my leadership learning.
Hi, this is Greg, and for this project, it was really challenging yet appealing at the same time for me. I was in charge of creating the charity character, and I also participated in creating a part of the animation for the charity materials. So, creating the character all from scratch was a lot of fun. I did a lot of ideation sketches, quick 5 minute sketch activities, and at the end, I reached the style that I was looking for, although it took a long time. The most challenging part for me was actually animating the character because I had to figure out how to use After Effects to create animation, and it was very tough and demanding for me. I had to remake and optimize the characters for animating, so I had to vectorize all my characters that were hand drawn. So that took a little bit of time, and just overall, everything took so long to figure out. And we were also on the point where we were considering not to do the animation and do something else in a more simple way. But however, I managed to teach myself how to use After Effects, and then I finalized the animation. Yeah, so through this assignment, I learned how to animate characters, and I'm really glad that I did not give up until the end.
Hello, I'm Gigi. For me, the challenge one was how to keep the storyboard interesting and not make the instruction look so boring. How to keep it so that the user wouldn't get drifted away while they were watching the instruction guide. At first, initially, we thought we could just use the character that we have designed to guide through the user guide, but the animation kind of turned out very difficult to put in a very short time. So what we did was we ended up just having it in some of the scenes as well. And also another challenge was after making the storyboard and starting on the animation, actually we got the user guide to see how the initial application interface would look like after the redesign. So I guess that kind of made a big impact on the video because we had to actually change up the storyboard and the animation because the application interface looked completely different from before. But I think this was like an opportunity, good opportunity to see how I could work in this kind of situation.
Hi, this is Nick. For me, the greatest challenge was learning how to develop a functional web application using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS code. I had a clear vision in my mind of how I wanted the calculator to look and perform, but my ability to produce working code was limited. I enjoyed the challenge, and even though the final result has plenty of room for improvement, I am happy with how my technical abilities have improved.